Good morning everyone and welcome to this week's vlog. It's going to be a weekend kind of vlog because that is the vlogs apparently, are the vlogs I'm doing currently. Today is Saturday and it is the 21st or the 22nd. No, it is the 22nd of May already. Basically, this week I had Thursday and Friday, I had study leave because I had some assignments to do and I did one assignment, so I'm really happy about that. And I just have some more to do now, so that's fine. But this is fun. This is fun. But anyways, but I'm really happy and it actually allows me to get into the student role. I mean, you know, just literally focusing on the student role, nothing else. Literally, like yesterday, I spent a whole day, okay, writing, and I'm very proud of myself, but I didn't exercise and I felt like bad for myself. But anyways,
it's fine.
So I was like, okay, what I'm gonna do for my vlog. And then I was like, let me do a day in my life kind of thing on Saturday. Ooh, there was a curtain in the way. So basically, here is some footage from me morning of this morning. It is currently nearly 10 o'clock. And in 5 minutes, I need to sign into my Gestalt workshop because I have a Gestalt workshop from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and that is how my morning is spent. However, I've already done quite a bit of things this morning and you will see shortly. Also, if you like this week's vlog, then keep on watching and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then keep on watching. So yeah, here is how I spend my morning. So basically, I wake up at around 7 o'clock today, apparently, without an alarm. That is how good I have gotten. The first thing I do when I open my eyes is think about the cup of tea that I'm going to take, because the cup of tea is my morning solution for everything. I just take my cup of tea and it is just bliss. And then I head back into my room and I do my bed, because doing my bed actually helps start up my day in a very smooth and blissful way. Then take out my exercise gear because we're going to be doing a workout this morning, because that is how I roll. I also prepare the clothes I'm going to be wearing after I have my shower, after my workout. Today we're going to be doing 2 booty exercises and an abs workout, because yesterday I didn't do my workout, so I need to. Woo! That was a workout, so I'm done. And now I head into the shower where I'm going to use my new Pixie Body product. Then it's time for my morning skincare routine. And then I head into my room and I just start filming. And that is my morning, guys. It's basically my morning. I've literally filmed a video and I filmed a TikTok because I've kind of neglected TikTok and Instagram Reels. So I'm going to try and see how I'm going to get back to it. Yes, this week I also had my cleaning and my dentist has caught me. Basically, he knows that I don't use mouthwash every single day, because what happened, guys, let me tell you what happened. So I bought a mouthwash. So my initial mouthwash was of strawberry and I used to love it. I used to have it, practice it daily in my morning routine and my nighttime routine, you name it. It was there, it was present. However, I then went to buy it again, but it was out of stock and she gave me an apple one. And let me tell you now, the apple one is not good at all. I hate it. So I neglected it from my routine. However, I used to use it one-off and stuff like that. And that apparently that's not good for your gums. So I need to take the apple mouthwash. So yeah, that is the point of the story. Next week also, I think, will be my next braces update, which is 10 months now, right? Is it 10 months? Yes, 10 months, because in July I'll be a year. So jealous. My friend, she started her braces before me and her braces are going to come off in after 3 tightening sessions. And I'm like, here a year later nearly, probably he never told me this, so I'm really sad about that, but that's fine. So now I'm going to go and I'm actually going to prepare something really quick to eat and obviously log into my workshop. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Ooh, and today there's the Eurovision and Destiny is representing Malta, and a big good luck. And yes, tonight obviously I'll be going to Luke's and we'll watch Eurovision together and get some sushi, which I'm so excited. Tomorrow we have lunch again, because then at 5 o'clock I have my workshop again. So it's better to just, go out in the morning, do something in the morning, and then in the evening I have my whole workshop. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, but let me show you something. This is my drawer. This is my makeup space after I film a video. You see how difficult it is? That is also a sneak peek into my lipstick drawer. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so hi everyone. It is way later during the day. Basically, I literally feel like, thank God that I woke up and did the things this morning, because I would have felt like such a wasted Saturday. I mean, don't get me wrong, I really enjoyed my Gestalt class, of course, but it's like the weekend comes and I work, it's just too much, you know. I like having my rest day and like, you know, catching up on things like KezziesCorner and stuff like that. So I'm really grateful that this morning I woke up early and did it, because if I wouldn't have done that, I would have felt so bad. So basically, yeah, I finished Gestalt, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my nana, and then I'll go to Luke's, and we're gonna watch obviously the Eurovision. What I'm gonna do is I've had this makeup on all day, and as you can see, like, I am glowy as glowy skin. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take off my makeup and just go makeup free, because that is how I roll. I also changed into something else. I also went to take some outfit photos, so yes, of the outfit I was wearing before. That's basically what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Hi everyone, so today is Sunday and it is the 23rd of May. Just got ready. I did not film this look, but I did a TikTok, so hopefully one day soon I might take it out. I did this look, it's really pretty. I actually used this palette right here. It's the I Heart Revolution, the macaroon palette. It's a really pretty palette. I think I need to take a photo for Instagram as well. I wanted to come here and basically just share with you, because I'm going to be doing my nails. So I'm going to be using the Spruce Up nail kit, which comes like this. I'll leave her Instagram down below. I've already tried these nails out. However, the thumb one was a bit too small, but that was my fault, because obviously you give your measurements. However, she kindly provided me with another 3 different nail sizes for my thumb, and actually one fits, which I'm really happy about. So I'm actually going to just do me nails and put them on, because now we're going to go out for lunch. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I swear they're so freaking pretty and just gorgeous and perfect for like the spring and summer season. I'm going to use my little glue nail sticker things that come like this. I really like these because they don't damage your nails and they're easy to take off, and they're like perfect for just if you're going to have these nails on for a day. That's obviously what I'm going to do, because I have work tomorrow, so I would need to remove them. Let us begin. So the first thing that you always do when applying these nails is to file down your bed like so. And I actually have this cuticle oil, but I will actually not use this because I had done it on Thursday. But I really love this and I will keep using this, because obviously for your cuticles it's quite good. I'm just going to literally now stick on my nails and let me show you guys the process. So first thing is first, you gotta size sort of the nails. I know that this was my little one. So I've gotten my nails all over here. So basically, well, you cannot really see them, but they're here. I'm using a tweezers to apply because it's really easier with the tweezers. So I always start from my thumb. What I do is I actually stick on the sticker on my thumb like so, and then I press it, and then I slowly, gently remove the top part, and then basically what is kept is the sticky part. Okay, so then I just stick on the nail. So that's one done, and now I'm just going to show you the rest of the process in fast motion. So I've done the nails. Sometimes these things are a wee bit annoying, but it's fine. I manage because like they stick on really well for like a day. I think they're really good for a day. So sometimes take them off the nail. It's kind as in to take off the tape so that you can stick on your nail is a little bit annoying sometimes, but you get there guys. And here are the nails. I absolutely love them. And the nails are absolutely beautiful. They're stuck on and I'm up ready. So now we'll continue preparing for going out. Basically, this is what I'm wearing so far. The Zara white top and then these Zara shorts, and I'll put on some jewelry because I feel empty, and get my hair done, and we will go out for lunch. So I just got ready and I can show you the full outfit. So this is Zara, and Zara, as you can see. And then this is a bag from Pretty Little Thing, same as this necklace and these earrings as well, and obviously I have my mask, and I have my new shoes, which are from Pretty Little Thing. So yes, I am going to be off now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Hi everyone! So I just got back and I really ran quickly because in half an hour I have my online school, and ignore my hair, it's like a mess. But I just wanted to end the vlog here and say that, you know, I had a really good lunch with our friends. It was really nice. And I'm just gonna close the vlog over here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I've also taken off my nails simply because I have work tomorrow, that is why, but I absolutely love them nonetheless. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
'Cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches